What a day! It is time for my beauty sleep. Although I'm already beautiful. Huh? Did you hear that? What was that? Go have a look, ducky. All right, stay back. I know karate. You are not gonna scare me. Never.
Hey, buddy! I've been looking all over for you. Are you ready for the trip?
Roger! It was just Raj. And you are on your own from now on. Let's go. But don't ever scare my duck like that. Got it? Roger, wait for me. The great outdoors. Mother Nature has done it again.
I think the camp is this way. Or is it this way? Not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure?
Don't worry. My whole family are outdoorsies. Let me just recollect how to read a map.
I knew it. I had a feeling we'll get lost. Hey!
Relax, Sam. I know where we're going.
I know. Ouch! My hat! Don't worry, hat. I won't leave you behind.
Sammy, where did you go?
That's my favorite hat, Raj. I can't lose it. There it is. Hey! Actually, that looks good on you. Gotta go. That was a soft landing. Raj, where are you? Hey, Raj.
I found the campsite. It was right here all along.
It looks nice.
Phew. Let's get started. We need to set up the tent.
I hope your tent building skills are better than your map reading skills.
Please. I think I know how to put a tent together.
Are you sure?
Enough. You'd better clear away any twigs or debris.
I think this is a job for you, Raj. Oh, I spotted something interesting over there. Some goes here and right there. I'm so slick. Oh, I think I found something. Raj, I guess you will have to clean it.
What? But you can do that too.
Okay, let's play our game then.
Rock, paper,
slime. I won.
What? Come on, that's not fair.
Nuh-uh, no excuses.
Oh, yuck. This is disgusting. Ew.
Heroes always do the hard work, you know.
All right, I think we're done here. All is clean and we can set up the tent. Finally!
Okay, Raj. Maybe I will help you this time. Who turned off the light?
I'm here, Sam. Stop yelling.
But I was really scared. Thanks.
Okay, we need to push the tent poles through the frame. How is this working? Oh, no!
Raj, I'm not sure you know what you're doing.
I guess you're right. Maybe you can help me then?
You can't do anything without me, can you? You have to do it like that.
Sam, we're almost there. Look!
Great job, my friend! Whee!
I told you I can do that.
Raj? Something's off. Let's flip the tent over.
Do you mean like this? Ta-da!
I love it that you always find a way to surprise me.
I am so strong. Oh, yeah. Ouch.
Finally. All that hard work has made me sleepy, you know.
What? But I did everything.
Well, I provided the emotional support, which is even harder. Where are the beds? You forgot the beds.
I wasn't going to bring the beds here. We'll just inflate the mattress.
You are kidding, right? That is going to take forever.
Don't be ridiculous. This pump will do all the hard work.
This mattress looks so much fun! Woohoo! Oh, I can almost touch the sky! Hey, where is my trampoline? Get the mattress! Get the mattress!
Gotcha!
Awesome! That was so much fun! Let's do it again!
Maybe some other time, Sammy.
Oh, the tent looks good! I bet it's cozy inside.
Well, we're almost done. Here are the pillows. Hop and hop.
Yippee! I'll have the greatest nap.
Sam, it's the middle of the afternoon. We can't sleep now. Whoa, is it an earthquake?
That was my stomach.
Phew. Well, I'm sure I know how to fix that.
I could use something tasty. I hope he's not gonna cook.
Give me a minute, Sam.
Why is it taking so long? I'm starving.
Hold this.
Thanks, Raj. You know how to make me happy. Huh? Hey, where's the marshmallow?
It's good to share with your friends, Sammy. Here you go.
Oh, now we're talking.
There's nothing like freshly squeezed lemonade, right?
I love lemonade. Ew, sour.
It's just not ready yet, Sammy. Okay, we're done with the lemon zest. Now we need sugar. We simply need to mix it all together.
My dentist would be mad if she saw all that sugar. Wow, this looks so good!
Step number 3, hot water. Stir the whole thing to dissolve the sugar.
Would you hurry up already? Just take this lemon which you already worked with and squeeze it completely.
Okay, nature, give me the strength. Oh no, this always happens. Ah, what a life. What do you think, Sam?
You make a mean hot dog, Raj. My compliments to the chef.
I'm sorry, but nature is calling. Uh-oh, excuse me.
Huh? Did somebody call you? I thought we have no reception here.
No, you didn't get it, Sammy. I mean, I drank too much lemonade. I need to, well, you know.
Well, there's plenty of trees to pick from.
I can't hold it any longer. This is really an emergency.
Take your time. I'm not going anyway. But those hot dogs are.
Phew, that was close. Wait, I have to wash my hands. I have a great idea. Where was it? Aha! I can make my own hand wash dispenser. We'll just need to make a hole in the cap, like this. And then push a syringe into the hole, like this. Now I'll just take the bottle and put the cap back on it. Huh? What? Is it a bear? Run! Ah! Keep calm, Raj.
I think I ate too much. But there is one hot dog left. It would be a shame to waste it. Wait a second. Stop, you hot dog thief! This campsite ain't big enough for the both of us. Keep out from my food. I'll end this now. Get ready for a... What's wrong, Raj?
It's a bear! Help! Sammy, hide!
Save the hot dogs? Okay, I need to deal with this. I'll get back to you later.
It was terrifying. You should have seen it.
Raj, tell me everything in detail. What did you see? Oh, look, it's my ducky Simon. Hey, pal!
He could have introduced himself.
Raj, I'm bored. I want to watch TV.
We're nature, Sam. There is no TV. But I'm way ahead of you. How about a treasure hunt?
Yar, me hearty. Let's find that buried treasure. Raj, look! It's the first item on the list.
Well spotted. I'll take this small one.
Isn't it too small? Fine, let's take yours. Whoa! Check it out! One of those pointy things that look like a fir tree.
It's called a pine cone.
Attack!
Don't do that!
Come on, where's your sense of adventure, Raj? Let's have some fun!
Look there, Sam.
Where? I don't see anything.
It's time for some payback. Sam, could you grab some leaves? They're on the list.
You can count on me. What? Snake!
Take it easy, it's just a prank.
You people can be so cruel.
We've got one more thing left to do. Take a photo with an animal.
That'll be easy. Animal!
Uh-oh, was that the bear? I'll see you back at camp.
Selfie time! Oh, spending time in nature is so fun! Hey, Raj, what you doing?
Well, I thought since Sue couldn't be here, we could bring the camping trip to her.
Great idea!
This will be a bracelet.
Can I try doing that too?
Sure.
Thanks!
I hope Sue likes it.
I think I've got it, Raj. Check it out! Looking good, huh? I look so good. I am the best thing in the wood.
Wait, let's focus on Sue.
Oopsie. You're right.
We'll add some flowers to make it more beautiful. And voila! What do you say? You can keep it for now.
It is so pretty! I don't like the dark, Raj. Will you hold me?
What? Scary? I've already thought about that. We need a nightlight.
You know that's not a light, don't you?
I thought you would say that. Here, take this head torch.
Whoa, Raj! Look, I'm a spooky monster. Boo!
Eek! Don't do that, Sam!
Now you got scared, huh?
Okay, let's stop messing around and make something useful. And here,
I don't get it, Raj. What are you... Wow!
we just need to flip the torch around and then wrap the strap around a bottle. That's it.
You know who would love that? My ducky Simon! Simon!
Shush! Sammy, you wake up the bear like that! All right. How about a great time, Sam? How about you?
I sure have! We need to do this again sometime.
You don't even have to ask.
And I learned so much! You're like one of those guys from the Discovery Channel!
Oh, I guess I am, Sammy.
Right. So now tell me, you do know how we are gonna get back home, right?
Well, I think so.
We'll see you next time, friends, if we find our way out of
Bye,
here.
everyone. Oh, what was that? Sammy?